welcome to the season finale of Persil Presents Colors Food Trail Season 4, powered by Lifebuoy in association with Panadol, Pananatural, Nair, Centrum, Jif, Al-Baker, Capricin and Al-Usra. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to our last stop and we are gonna bow out, dancing our hearts out. You ask why? Meet our guest and you would know.
Hello everyone, my name is Umang Shandelia and I'm an architect turned into a choreographer and now a full-time content creator in Dubai. I am born and raised in Delhi, but an MBA placement got me to Dubai 5 years ago. It's been a long journey since then. I started working as a project manager and then I thought maybe I can quit my job and follow my passion full-time. That's how I entered the field of dancing and content creation.
Well, we have our guest for our finale episode. Welcome, Umang.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We're very excited.
I'm excited too.
Also, because it's such an art कि आप खुद तो एक हुनर जानते हैं कि आप डांस कर सकते हैं, पर आप ऐसे डांस करते हो कि आप दूसरों को भी नचाते हो. Like everybody who looks at your videos becomes a fan and keeps watching and then tries to copy those moves as well.
Thank you. That means a lot.
तो आज हम आपके बारे में जानेंगे.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Interesting.
तो सबसे पहले तो of course हम ये सब जानते हैं कि आपको नाचना बहुत पसंद है.
Yes.
You love dancing.
Yes.
But the journey didn't begin there, right?
No, definitely not.
So
the
a
journey,
little bit where it began.
So the journey started when I was studying architecture, and dancing was nowhere in the scene. Was not even. It was definitely in my genes, but not. I never thought that it will be one day my profession. And then when I completed my journey, I was working as an architect. I was placed to my MBA school to Dubai. While working, I was here alone, and I thought, वापस घर जाके भी तो सिर्फ सोना ही है. So let me just spend more time with myself. So I started dancing in front of a TV camera, and then I started using mirror as my selfie point. And okay, chalo, let's try one video, 2 videos. I started posting them, and that's it. How it started was one video went viral, second went viral, and then I never thought that okay, now let's try teaching people. Then COVID happened, so I was taking a lot of live classes. Actually, that's when it blew up. Social media actually blew up at that time for me.
What are the cities that have inspired you, have made it your favorites ka list?
Okay, favorites. First thing, I'm born in Delhi and nothing can beat Delhi ka street food.
Oh,
when it comes to golgappe, chaat papdi, nothing can beat that. I frequently used to visit Udaipur because me and my family, you know, every Indian parents take you to a dham. So Udaipur was the place I used to a lot. Okay. That's when my dad introduced me to dal bati churma.
Okay.
And it became my favorite. Udaipur was on my list every year just for that dal bati churma and chappan bhog. Of course, who can miss that thali in front of you?
जो कभी finish नहीं होती.
जो कभी finish नहीं होती है. Definitely. And I would say again Rome. Rome was my first ever international trip with my girlfriends, only girls. And then I would say London, of course. London. The chicken tikka masala that comes from there is unbeatable.
Okay.
And the last one would be Istanbul. Whenever I go Turkey, that one thing that I look forward is that morning breakfast. I am the last person who will wake up early, but wo morning breakfast ke liye I put alarms, and I'm like, I'll be ready, but I'm not missing the Turkish breakfast.
After that breakfast, you don't need lunch also.
You don't need anything.
You're so full. Desserts. Let's come to meetha. Do you have sweet tooth?
I am.
Or is it like kabhi ka?
No. I think my sweet tooth is not kabhi kabhi. It's har din ka har pal ka kabhi.
मुसलसल है.
Yes.
जी.
If I talk about Indian dish, then it would be gulab jamun. You cannot beat gulab jamun. Next will be tiramisu. It's my forever favorite. And recently I discovered in Turkey the baklava with ice cream.
Yeah.
Now we have to put a little mahal to your plate.
Okay.
Because he's big on plating and the presentation matters, of course. And we're going to give you the best experience, but we want to know what kind of art theme if you have to pick.
I'm sure you guys are familiar with Madhubani painting.
Of course.
Yes.
They're beautiful.
The way it was made, they never had these colors before. They used to take colors from rocks,
Yes.
the grass, and then they make them. So Madhubani paintings are forever love for me. Also Roman architecture. I
Yeah.
love the way they have made their castles, their churches, everything. And I also love, again, because India is very inspired by Mughal architecture.
Yeah.
If you see all our big castles, all minars, everything is that comes from Mughal architecture.
Yeah.
Also the garden strategy that they use, the landscaping. So these are the kind of symmetries that I look for in art.
Okay.
And of course, we want to know a food-related cherished memory that you have.
Cherished. So this one memory is sometimes cherished and sometimes not.
Okay.
It's so funny that I know hate is a big word, but I absolutely hate green peas. But
Okay.
it was only this one person on this planet, and that's my mother. उन्होंने किसी तरह एक dish बना के, she fed me that full plate of mutton, which I never knew कि उसके अंदर मटर है. But that is the memory, and now today I can just tell everybody that nobody can make me eat mutton, but only my mom, and only that recipe can make me eat mutton.
Okay.
Interesting.
We'll have to unlock a new recipe
Yes.
for a dish that has never been made before. So chef is ready.
I am ready. Yeah.
Okay. We'll take a short break and we'll be back. Welcome back to Persil Presents Colors Food Trail Season 4, powered by Lifebuoy in association with Panadol, Pananatural, Centrum, Nair, Jif, Albaker, Vileda and Batiste. And now we are here and Umang is ready to know what you are cooking.
So, with all information, we taking the Rajasthan, the Jaipur one, and we putting everything around that. So, what we doing today is the lal mas from the Rajasthan, and giving a twist to it. We adding in a bagandi, which is from Istanbul, which is she mentioned about her favorite place to go and eat there, and we also giving in a simit, which is in a Turkish bread, normally used in a breakfast because you love the breakfast.
Yes, love
so
it.
touch of breakfast is there.
Okay.
We also doing a wine leaves, okay? But a twist is there. So in Rajasthan, bajra is very famous.
Yeah.
Yes.
Normally in a wine leaves, you have minced meat and the rice and everything.
Yeah.
So I'm removing the meat and I'm adding the bajra to it.
Oh,
Okay.
So wine leaves with bajra. The lal mas with the lamb chop is gonna be with bagandi, which is in a Turkish dish made from our aubergine. और जैसे कि इन्होंने बताया कि इन्हें दाल बाटी पसंद है, तो हम दाल बाटी बनाने वाले हैं.
Okay.
जिसका
That
आटा ये बुनेंगी.
I'm ready.
Don't worry, I'll take care of everything. So दाल बाटी जो है उसको twist देंगे. इन्होंने कहा कि हमें गोल गप्पे पसंद है.
सीधा कुछ आता ही नहीं है प्लेट पे. Everything is gonna be with
Yes.
a twist.
So हम गोल गप्पे बना रहे हैं, but with the twist, I'm gonna do with dal bati churma गोल गप्पे.
Okay.
Okay, and I have
Okay.
some surprise for her because she mentioned about green peas.
Yeah.
And she only had a green peas.
Get ready.
Okay, and she only had a green peas from her mother's recipe. Okay?
Yes.
So today I'm gonna do something
We'll
with
change
that
that.
one. We'll do that one
Okay.
later.
Okay.
All right.
Good.
And then for dessert, she mentioned about tiramisu. So we're gonna do 2 different flavors of tiramisu for her.
Whoa, not
Ooh.
1, 2. You got lucky.
I'm
But it's not going to be in a usual one with the coffee. It's going to be something different. Okay, so as we move on, we'll talk about that one.
Yes.
First dish I'm that cooking is a lal mas.
Okay.
Usually in lal mas, you take a meat chunks, but I'm taking a lamb chops here.
Okay.
So I need to marinate the lamb chop first with a ginger and garlic paste. So before I marinate my meat, okay, usually I use my hand. Okay, I want to
Okay.
give some love and massage to it.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay,
yes.
so it gives you a nice flavor to it because
Bilkul.
I hate using gloves and then doing the marination because the love is not going with the meat.
Yes,
Okay?
true.
So for that, I need to wash my hand with the Lifebuoy antibacterial lemon fresh hand wash soap, and I'm gonna do that.
Experience the unbeatable freshness and cleanliness as Lifebuoy Lemon Fresh Antibacterial Hand Wash fights off bacteria and removes odors. This is your 10x shield against bacteria and lingering kitchen odors, leaving your hands refreshed with a delightful lemon scent.
So I'm gonna take this ginger garlic paste. हम इसे घी में अभी थोड़ा हल्का सा फ्राई करेंगे.
Of course.
राजस्थान में घी ज़्यादा यूज होता है. Okay, I'll keep this aside on another flame here, and then we'll start the gravy while it's cooking here, getting brown there. So
Okay.
we'll start the base gravy of the lal mas.
Okay.
Okay, again ghee, some khada masala.
Okay.
I already made this onion paste with some spices, which is literally brown onions, some cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, mace, savitri we call it.
Okay.
And this brown paste I will add into this masala. Okay, here something, this one we also keep in our kitchen. This is the chili paste.
Okay.
We boil the chili in a water with some spices, and then we make a paste. Okay. Everything is ready.
Yes.
Ready.
As you see, I have prepared everything. You have wine leaves ready. You have lamb chops ready. You have bati ready. You have golgappa ready.
You have us
wow.
ready.
Oh yeah, yes, of course. I know that. I know that. So we're gonna start with the golgappa, which is
Okay.
pani puri with dal bati. Okay, with my own twist. As we move on, you can see.
Okay.
Okay.
So obviously, she mentioned about Madhubani painting.
Yes.
So let's do some painting.
Oh, with food?
Okay.
Yes, with food.
Your plate is so pretty. I don't think I want to put
Yeah.
food on it.
I was thinking about the same thing. That how will I eat from this beautiful plate now?
I'm gonna make the bati.
Yeah.
So these are the batis I made from Albaker multigrain atta.
Oh.
Well, it is rich in fibers, protein, and has the power of 8 natural grains. And also because the bati, when you eat, you need that crumbliness
Yeah.
to soak
Yes.
the dal and everything. So
Yep.
when you use this atta, which is an 8 grains, it makes it crumbly and crispy. So I'm going to take this bati mix, crumble it down. Okay. So next thing, I'm going to take this golgappa. We'll add the mixture inside. These are the caviar from the tamarind.
Oh.
That's so fancy.
Then you have the mint caviar.
Ooh.
Oh.
This is your golgappa ready, but not for
Japani
eating. I'm going to keep it aside. I'm going to do the next dish.
Oh, अच्छा भी और तड़पाना बाकी है.
Next one, I'm going to do the lamb. This is the begandi, which is a roasted aubergine, and then we take out the pulp and then cook with some thyme, some cream, garlic, onion, and make a puree out of it.
Oh.
This is a very traditional thing in Turkey. So this is your Turkish begandi.
Oh.
तो ये आपका cute little lamb ready है.
Wow.
Cute little lamb is smelling delicious.
Delicious.
Wine leaves
Yes.
stuffed with bajra.
Yes.
Who would have thought that?
So this
Wow.
one, what I have done, taken the Istanbul,
Yes.
taken the Turkey, taken the India, Rajasthan, okay, then added everything together. So you have sun-dried tomato, you have
Ooh.
olives, you have bajra, wrapped in a wine leaves, cooked a couple of hours with the tomato sauce.
Wow.
Okay, here. So I'm adding some pistachio, Turkish
Okay.
pistachio. So this is your wine leaves with jajik is ready. ये आ गया आपका सिमित ब्रेड
Oh.
जो लैम के साथ जाएगा. Okay, या तो आप वाइन लीफ के साथ खा सकते हैं. And the next one
There's
is
something more.
it's a royal treat, Rajasthan. Okay,
I think I went for the best cuisine.
you have the tamarind coulis. On that one, I'm gonna put this
This is sorbet.
sorbet. Yes.
Wow.
So usually in Rajasthan, the heat is so much. So normally they have this matta,
Yes.
Yes.
which is made from the yogurt and
Yes,
cumin and all
yes.
these things. So instead of giving her matta, so it's a fine dining, some royal kind of thing.
Ooh.
I made sorbet out of it. So it's a matta.
Matha flavored
Sorbet.
Matta sorbet itself.
Matha sorbet.
Forget about flavor. It's like a matta sorbet itself. So I've
I'm
taken the
so
matta
excited for that.
and turned into a sorbet. And to give it chatpata, I put the tamarind coulis with date chutney in that one.
Wow.
So that is your royal treat with the 5 Panchapakwan. Go ahead.
What do you think? Yes, please.
Okay, do I have to do it one go?
Yes.
Yes.
That is Golgappa.
Cheers.
You know why it's called Golgappa? Gol and Gapp. Like you take in a one bite. That's why it's called Golgappa.
Wow.
You call it Golgappa, Pani Puri, Puchka, whatever. It's our favorite, and this one,
We call it brilliant.
brilliant Golgappa.
Are you feeling that mint pearls
Yeah,
and
everything.
tamarind?
There was a boost.
How about this
This
bati?
caviar is a winner.
It's so good.
What goes next according to you?
Now let's say you should go for a wine leaf first,
Okay.
and then after that you can go for a lamb. Then you can have a bite of this simit
Ooh.
with the gandhi and lamb. Take it, cut it
Way
into
to start.
piece.
मन क्या कर रहे हो?
Yes,
इतनी
now-
देर लगे खाना बनने में, खाना तो पड़ेगा. Big bite.
That bajra is so tasty.
Flavors coming together like this, especially bajra is dry.
Yeah.
But I think that's why you balancing it with the cream just
the moisture.
puts everything together. Oh my god, so good.
I've been looking at it, thinking about it.
Yeah.
When will I get to cut this and eat it? And I'll take more tomato
So a
sauce.
little
This
more sauce
sauce
from here.
is
Give
so-
me 1 second. Put this sauce more here. Go on.
That tomato, that chutney that you prepared is unbelievable. It's not very chilly. It's not.
No, it's not,
It's so
because-
perfectly balanced.
When you boil the chilies with the water, we try to remove the spiciness from that one. So you get the flavor of chili, but not spiciness.
And
I
the
also want to
creamy.
Yeah, break
Try.
into a piece. Yeah,
Now I'll definitely
dip
try
into a
this bread.
sauce. Let me give you more sauce there.
Yeah.
Yes, please,
Okay.
That will go with the sauce.
Okay,
because you have to do this.
Definitely.
there you go.
Not skipping the most important step.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Her
Wow.
favorite dance form is my favorite dance form right now, Bhangra.
Now let's clean your palate because you had this spicy lamb there. So before we go for dessert,
I don't want to clean my palate. I'm enjoying
Hukum.
my palate.
Hukum.
Oh, hukum.
Hukum
I
lijiye.
love ready to eat matta.
Yes, matta sorbet.
Eat.
Yeah, mash it little slowly. Ah, that's it. And then take a tamarind and
This is so different. Is it coriander in this?
yes, matta has a coriander in that one.
Yeah, I can feel the dhania. Like
Yes.
you can just taste it.
It has all the ingredients that we use for matta.
With
This
tamarind,
is
I
So it has a
mind
tadka
blowing.
of this jeera and mustard.
just
It has a
taste it.
coriander. It has that, and the tamarind give you a little
Yes.
sweetness to it.
Oh god.
Now, during the break while we were talking, you explained to me that, you told me that you want to go to Japan.
Yes.
Okay.
That's my next trip.
Next trip. So if you want to go to Japan, you must try this thing. And if you pass this test, you can go to Japan. If you fail, I would say don't stamp your passport with Japan visa. Okay. Also, there is a scare factor that you have with this green peas. Okay. It's not
Are these green peas?
It's not green peas.
Okay.
Okay.
But कई बार डर भगाने के लिए कुछ जो दिखता है वैसा होता नहीं.
Yeah.
तो
So it's an imitation of. They literally look like green
Yeah,
peas.
they do.
now try among.
Hold.
डर के आगे जीत है या मटर. You never know.
डर के आगे
Give
definitely
peas
मटर
a
नहीं.
chance.
Okay, guys, I'm doing it. Is that wasabi?
Yes.
That is still much better than peas.
So you passed the test.
I did.
Okay, you can go to Japan.
Yes.
Thank you.
Now I think थोड़ा सा हमने डर जीत लिया.
Yes,
ओह, और आपने हमारा दिल जीत लिया.
definitely.
लेकिन अभी पिक्चर बाकी है. So we will be coming back for some meetha. You cannot go anywhere. Be with us, stay with us because meetha भी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Hello and welcome back to Persil Presents Colors Food Trail Season 4, powered by Lifebuoy, in association with Panadol, Pananatural, Centrum, Nair, Jif, Albaker, Flawless and Haldirams. And we are back with the dessert.
Dessert. Okay, so let's start plating dessert. Now,
But I think you will have to get changed. The apron doesn't
yeah.
look that nice.
I know it's dirty, but do you think that I can remove these hard stains with oil and everything?
अभी इतनी बार बता दिया है, but one last time.
Okay.
On this last episode, I'll remind you again that there is a solution. And it is the #1 liquid detergent, Persil Power Gel,
Okay.
that can do the job. Persil Power Gel is truly #1 in stain removal thanks to its deep clean technology. Its advanced German formula removes even the toughest stains with ease to ensure perfect cleanliness and freshness. Persil Power Gel is definitely the modern way of washing.
So for dessert, I am making tiramisu with the 3 different flavors.
Three different.
Yes, one is a
Wow.
traditional one, okay?
Of course.
One is a pistachio one, and one is a rose one. So it's layered into a 3.
Ooh.
Okay,
That's lovely.
So, and I have a passion fruit coulis at the base. I'm going to put. This is your 3-way tiramisu. Okay, just gonna finish with, you know, this is your Madhubani art.
Oh.
That looks so pretty. Wow.
Oh.
So that's your 3-way tiramisu with rose flavor, pistachio flavors, passion fruit, raspberry, and Madhubani flower. See, this dish has a password.
Password.
Yeah, and you both have to unlock it.
It is
Otherwise,
pick up your
I'm not
spoon.
giving to both of you.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you have to sing. She has to dance.
So let's go with Dylan.
Okay.
Okay.
Of course.
तेरी यादावा मुंडा मार सुट्टे आनी मुंडा लुट्टे
Hey.
छड्डे आनी कखदा ओ मैनू छड्डे आना कखदा.
I still managed to dance in heels.
भाई चेयर लाइए.
Absolutely.
अगला गाना की फरमाइश होगी. चेयर लाइए.
अब दिलेर बाजी को पसंद है.
Yes, actually. But
So
chef, you have to do something as well with us then. What do you
I
think?
cook the food.
No, enjoy the food with us
Yeah.
and also थोड़ा सा dance maybe last में.
कर दो आप भी
Okay,
unlock.
आप सिखाओ मैं करता हूँ. चलिए.
Okay.
One move. Come on.
So you have your left hand in the front.
Yeah.
You clap and take the right hand down.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you do clap
Yeah.
and you change the hand. Clap. Clap.
Clap.
Ready?
Okay, ready.
5, 6, 7, go.
Clap.
Right. Right. Right.
Good.
So actually he did it. So well done.
She just making me happy. Nothing. It's okay. Let's go for the
Password decoded
Password
now.
is closed. Open now. Yeah, open. You
Okay.
can go ahead.
Ooh.
Mm.
The rose
That
hit you
rose
later.
hit you.
Later?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for having me. Thank you. I'll see you guys.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
No,
Take
you haven't
much.
tried this. This is so good. The rose actually hits.
Yeah. It's
In the
pistachio.
end.
Yeah. But you get that pistachio also.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It does. And that passion fruit, that kick to it.
That actually passion fruit के बाद rose really
Rose
hits your palate.
actually.
मतलब अभी तक इनके सारी प्लेटिंग में पेंटिंग्स उतर रही थी, इन्होंने आज
Yeah.
पेंटिंग प्लेटिंग पे उतारी.
Actually, that is true. That is art.
And I think it was such a perfect ending to this season. And now, before we end this episode and this season, we have to give you something special, courtesy Flawless
Thank you
facial hair
so
remover.
much.
This is for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us on this journey.
Thank you for having me. It was a pleasure.
Because with every personality that has come on our show, I have also been on a journey of their memories and
Yes.
their travels. So thank you for that.
Thank you so much again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, 8 personalities, 16 dishes, countless countries and cities that I got to travel, that we got to experience. I had such a great time. And courtesy Chef Abs, actually, it was nothing short of magic. Well, it was a privilege being part of all those travels, memories coming together alive on these plates. I hope it was also a wonderful experience for you. So this season comes to an end. This is Yachna signing off.